paying and tipping.
You'll use every one of these in a real cafe. Slow first, fast at the end.
How much is that? How much is that?
That comes to $4.50. That comes to $4.50.
Sorry, how much was that? Sorry, how much was that?
$4.50, $4.50. $4.50, $4.50. Will that be card or cash? Will that be card or cash?
Card, please. Do you take Visa? Card, please. Do you take Visa?
We take all major cards. We take all major cards.
Great. Great.
You can tap or insert your card. You can tap or insert your card.
I'll just tap. I'll just tap.
Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready.
There we go. There we go.
It'll ask you a question on the screen. It'll ask you a question on the screen.
Oh, the tip? Can I add it here? Oh, the tip? Can I add it here?
Yes, just tap an amount or no tip. Yes, just tap an amount or no tip.
Got it, thanks. Got it, thanks.
Would you like a receipt? Would you like a receipt?
No, I'm okay, thanks. No, I'm okay, thanks.
No worries. No worries.
Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help.
Are you on our rewards app? Are you on our rewards app?
I am, let me scan it. I am, let me scan it.
Perfect, that's 10 points. Perfect, that's 10 points.
Nice, thank you. Nice, thank you. How much is that? Sorry, how much was that? Card or cash? Do you take Visa? I'll just tap. Whenever you're ready. Can I add it here? Tap an amount or no tip. Would you like a receipt? No, I'm okay, thanks. Are you on our rewards app? Let me scan it.